Hello, class. We are trying to get you to use scholarly journal articles. And so you might find this week that you're a little disappointed in your grade because you were marked down for not having a scholarly journal article. Many of the websites that you are using are made for the public. So that would mean anybody could Google it, go to it, and obtain that information. And because we're in education, we want you to have a better experience and better articles. So this is a quick overview on how to find these articles. It's pretty easy if you follow these steps. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your home page and click on LIRN, Library. Now, if you remember in the past, we had to have a password, but we don't. It goes right to the home, this page. Because I want health and medical journals, I'm going to click this one. And this is your best choice, I feel, nursing and allied health. It would also include ProQuest. So now you have, this is how you're going to find your articles. If I was going to look, I would just click advanced search right away because that gives you a few more options. You want full text, peer reviewed, and you can put the publication dates in. Remember, we want the last 5 years. If you want to make it really simple, you can just click last 3 years, or you can actually put the dates in. Now, if I want to find a journal on, let's say last week we were talking about asbestos, and let's say I, want to add some more information here. Let's say, and so I added another row, let's say lungs, and then I want to make sure it's in a nursing journal. So I'm going to put in nursing, and I'm going to slide over here, and these drop-down boxes tell you where you want to find that word. That word would be in the publication title or the nursing journal. So let's see what happens. Push search, and we have a list of 8 articles that you can use that is related to nursing journals, and they are journals that are current. The other thing is if you don't have to use nursing, you could take that out and you might get a better selection. So, but these are just ways to go ahead and search for a journal. So we're really encouraging you not to use information from the public because we are a step above now. We're scholarly people and we want information that has been research based. So please use this when looking for a nursing or a journal. Again, it doesn't have to be nursing, but a medical type journal. It could be from public health. Better to stay away from the medical journals because those are really written for doctors. Community, anything like that. And if you have any questions, please let us know. We're here to help. We want you to be successful.